Umkhandlu dolobha eNelson Mandela Bay usuhlonzwe njengendawo ebhekene nenhlekelele ngemuva kwemvula enamandla eyenze umonakalo ozodla imali elinganiselwa ngaphezu kuka-5 billion wamarandi. Bayishumi abantu abashonile kwathi abangaphezu kwezinkulungwane ezintathu basala dengwane.
In terms of our commitment to the president is that when disasters would have happened, at least less than 72 hours, we need to have moved people out of mass care centers or halls. We've taken longer, but I can assure you today we are moving you between today and tomorrow to better areas in terms of where we've sourced.
Le mvula enamandla yenze umonakalo omkhulu emnothweni nengqalasizinda.
This has really wrecked people's lives, people's houses, infrastructure, and roads and bridges. And many people's lives have been disrupted, including damaging economic infrastructure, such as in some of the factories around here. So this is a true disaster and devastation.
Ukuquququka kwesimo sezulu sekube nomthelelo omubi eNingizimu Afrika njengoba izindawo eziningi zibhekana nezinhlekelele.
Climate change that is now being experienced in South Africa is such that even in summer, in winter we have heavy rains. It never used to happen in the past. It is now happening to us. Usually we have rains in the Western Cape. Now it's happening even in Gauteng, where I stay. We've had heavy rains there as well.
Umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uthi ubheka izinhlelo ezohamba ibanga elide zokuthuthukiswa kwezindawo ezimjondolo.